Section 10. Luxury and exclusivity, the Porsche experience. Stepping inside a Porsche is an experience in itself. The interiors are crafted from the finest materials, with meticulous attention to detail and a focus on both luxury and ergonomics. From the supple leather seats to the precision-engineered switchgear, every detail exudes a sense of quality and craftsmanship. But the Porsche experience extends far beyond the car itself. The company has created a brand that is synonymous with exclusivity and prestige. Owning a Porsche gives you access to a world of exclusive events, driving experiences, and a community of like-minded enthusiasts. Porsche understands that owning one of its cars is more than just a transaction, it's the beginning of a relationship. That's why the company goes above and beyond to ensure that its customers feel valued and appreciated, offering exceptional customer service and a range of ownership benefits that enhance the Porsche experience. Section 11. A legacy that continues to inspire. From its humble beginnings in a small workshop in Stuttgart, Porsche has risen to become one of the most respected and coveted car makers in the world. Its unwavering commitment to performance, innovation, and design has resulted in a string of iconic models that have captured the hearts and minds of enthusiasts for generations. Whether it's the timeless appeal of the 911, the groundbreaking performance of the Taycan, or the versatility of the Cayenne and Macan, Porsche continues to push the boundaries of automotive engineering, creating cars that are as exhilarating to drive as they are beautiful to behold. As Porsche looks to the future, one thing is certain: the company's unwavering passion for automotive excellence will continue to drive it forward, ensuring that the Porsche legacy of speed, luxury, and innovation will continue to inspire for generations to come.